Alright guys, alright guys, alright guys, alright guys. Good morning everyone, good morning everyone, good morning everyone. So let's begin the stream. Let's start right away. No time for this, let's start the stream right away. So we're looking at gold. Lord, we thank you for today. We bless your holy name, we give you praise. As we end the week trading, let's entire rest of the weekend. Good one for us in the name of Jesus. Anyways, guys, thanks everyone that's wishing about yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday, and I just did a bit of giving out back to people. I didn't actually go because I couldn't go. I felt really tired to go out yesterday, but I gave a contract to people to share food to some people. So that's what I did yesterday. Anyways, let's go back to the stream. Let's find what's going on. Let's see what we can do. So this is gold. I want to check the forex factory first, but let's go to the daily. Why the other stuff is loading? Why it's loading? Let's go to the daily. Now, daily time frame has currently gotten to um, a major support level. This is like the daily support. So let me move everything first of all, and let's do it back from the beginning. So the daily time frame has gone to the major support level. But we know that the bias for today is bearish as well. So we're looking for bearish opportunities. But still, while looking for bearish opportunities, we should know that this is a level where price can reject from, and you might likely get some rejection of this area. Do you understand? So you might likely get some rejection of this area. So have to be careful of how we trade today's levels. Now, if I go to my 4 hours level, and you can also see that the daily time frame started off with low topic, which is a mix confirmation for me. So I need to be sure of what's going to happen before I continue. So let's go over to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours is also telling us. So if you see the 4 hours time frame, you can see that this is just, I don't know, because of the market gap, but this is looking like there's a support level here and price is rejecting off the level. So that one I can see here. And if I go to my 1 hour time frame, you can see that price is actually rejecting of the level. If I go to my 30 minutes, this can be some kind of reversal, but I need to be clear. I need to have clear buyers before I look to like jump into the trade. I need to have a clear buyer. So, but what I can see for sure is there's a buy because of this strong level. Yeah, of this strong level as holding in the 4 hours. So there might be like a rejection area. This can be a very strong rejection area from the 4 hours. And you see how the candle is rejecting. So I'm looking for buys above 3298 points point eight was 85 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm looking for buys above that level. You get I'm looking for buys above this level here. Let me actually adjust it to this level here. So I just put buy above. So this is what I'm looking for. I need like a bullish buys above. Today Friday. I think let's just one trade for the week. Just one trade. Let me update that. I'm not taking any trades today, so let me move this. Put this to zero. Yeah, let me put this to zero. So I should look for buys above this level. So buys uh, above. Now looking at the way this current candle is, so because on the 15 minutes, if I go to my left, despite the fact that this is a daily support, the 15 minutes can still have its own structure. I don't if you understand. The 15 minutes can also have its own structure where right, this is not actually where the price wants to stop. You still want to test somewhere before going up because um this was the previous support price broke below. You get so this was like the previous support price broke below. This is the support. This is the price broke below. Like it pushed after it break, it pushed around pips. That's a lot. That's a lot. So after I break the low, it moves around 60 pips. So let me look at my left hand side. Let me see if there's any possible range in 15. Let me see if there's possible range in 15. Okay, yeah, we have like below this low, we have price moving about 80 pips. So we can actually get an opportunity below the structure. So, but for me to do that, I need this current candle, which is not even possible to close like a week bear. Like I need a week book candle, a week bull closure, which means I need price to close like this. Um, I need price to close this way, like this, something like this. So if I close like this, then I can look for sales as it breaks this low. You get, like I just let's say sell stop below the structure for price to continue pushing down. But I don't think we will get that. But since, like I said, the daily, this is a very strong, this exact area where price is just from is a very strong resistance support level, sorry, on the daily. So you can probably see a reversal. And looking at it, I might even decide to give it an opportunity to like break above the structure, but based on one or two reasons. Okay, if this particular candle close bullish above, maybe I might just give it a try. But I will reduce my mix. If it close like this, if it close like this, so it should be like more like a fake out. So I can look for opportunities like price testing down, bearish protection, and the flip of the candle I look to buy. So this is another opportunity I can give myself based on this area. I'm trading off this area. I'm believing that this area will hold its support. So that's what I'm looking for. I might probably get a buy in this place. And if you go to the 30 minutes, you can see it's also like a 30 minutes rejection. So that's what I'm trading this level off of. So that's basically what I'm trading level off of. So let's see how it plays out. You have about 2 more minutes. So you guys should just get ready your stuff, and you can wait and see if this is going to play out properly, and you can look to wait money. So with 2 more minutes, London section, I expect volume to actually give us a direction. So let's just wait. Let's see if we're going to get a pullback first. Then we can look to go for long. But if price just open and start pushing to the upside, then it's a no-no for us. But if we get that pullback, then that's a very, very good opportunity for me to look for opportunities. I just need price to pull down before it goes up. So that's just it. So now you can see that it's trying to engulf structure. So let me even measure the range. Let me see the range if it's a good enough range. 50 pip is good, but my stop loss would be wherever the low is. So if you get to this point, 40 pip, if you smaller, I know the steeper the week, the better the setup, but wherever it's going to stop, that's going to be my stop loss. Or I'm going to use 5 minutes as my stop. So my stop would be like 45. So let's see. This would be like inverse cellular. Let's wait. 1 more minute. I will decide. So let me bring out everything I need to this trade. Everything I need to place this trade. I think okay. That's nice. So in the 30 minutes is a different, yeah. Hopefully it just holds its losses here. I want it to hold its losses so we can buy to this level or buy it above. That's why I want price to do. So just wait. This is actually good. This is actually a good trade. You just need a retracement. Once you see a retracement, then you can buy. Okay, price has closed. Price has closed, guys. So let's see the rejection. So I need to move down a bit, just small. So this is where I put my buy stop above, like above the previous candle high. Just check your broker, see where the candle high is. Um, I'm giving this a shot because it's 30 minutes so close. Like yeah, I'm giving this a shot. Giving this a shot. Let me do my stop loss here first. As 33 people. Send it out. So let's see how that plays out. Let's wait. So my stop loss not yet defined. So like I said, just read slow on this trade because so you're trading against the trend. This so I'm basically trading against the trend, and I'm just trading based on this level. So you get so we're trading against the trend. So just risk small. So I'm anticipating that this is probably a fake out for price to continue pushing upward. So that is just the idea of the trade. So it might play out, it might not. So let's wait and see. The adjustment is good. So once price start pushing back up, like pushing back up and breaks this high, so I expect it to drive from there. But then again, I'm noticing that this might not be a price coming up to retest this level for it to continue pushing downwards. And then you get so hopefully we don't get activated and price now decides to push back down. But whatever the case is, this is the entry I have right now, and this is what I'm looking for. So that's just it. That's just it. So let's see how it comes out to be. So I place my entries and I'm waiting patiently for to see how the charts will play out. Yes, I'm waiting patiently to see how it's going to play out. Let's wait and see if we'll get activated so we can wait and see if we'll get activated. Wait and see. So while we're waiting on this, to see if anything is going to happen, let's quickly look at let me quickly look at let me do this. So then again, what we're going to happen is that this is a 15 minutes, this is 30 minutes, 30 minutes never close below. If the 15 minutes, if you don't get activated in basically 6 to 7 minutes, I'm going to delete the buy stop. Then I will wait for the candle to close to decide what I'm going to do. But for now, just leave it the way it is. And if you push more than like, let's see, let's see, let this 5 minutes close. So if you push more than there's a way to push, then I just decide not to. I'll just delete the whole stuff. You get me? Let us wait and see how it turns out to be. So that's it. That's it. So it's Friday. So I don't trade in just anywhere I like, but this is a good setup as well. So this is also a good setup. So if volume comes in and this is our actual bias, then price will actually push to our direction. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's look at DJ as well. I think DJ is like okay. DJ is not doing anything. This is in a range, like it's ranging. This is a range. So if you're looking for sales, you can actually wait for DJ to break below the structure, then you sell it. Okay, guys. Delete by stop. Delete by stop. Daily buy stop. Daily buy stop, guys. The momentum is still bearish, so that's like basically the full buyer. So momentum is bearish. It might still play out though. Just that our surplus will get widened to like 50p. And the range, now this is where we look at the range. So our support is 50p. What is the range like? The range is 48p. So this is against this, like we're trading against the whole risk reward. Do you get me? So now because of the whole range, and we're going to delete our buy stop. Like I said, delete buy stop. So delete buy stop and we wait. So another thing that we can look to likely enter this trade if it's going to play out for a buy is if this candle, like this current candle, after moving downwards, it comes up back, like it rejects the area and it pushed back to the upside, like it close with a quick bear, like this, something like this, close like this. Once it close like this, then I can put my stop loss at the next 15 minutes. You understand? The next 15 minutes candle. I feel like below, entries above, the price will go up. So, but price is not doing anything like that. It's pushing down, which the bias is bearish. So we'll wait and see how it goes, if we get anything or not. So that's just it. That's just it. I like buy stop and sell stop because I can't just say, oh, I feel like price is going to go up, and I just randomly place the buy or sell. So, but when I actually put a buy stop, because I feel like anytime price breaks above, I feel like anytime price breaks above the previous high, I don't just expect it to come back down. So that's what I feel like when trading. Like, okay, it breaks this high, it's expected to it's just expected to do what it needs to do. That's how I view the market. So let's wait for price to break away. So this candle has already pushed around 60, crazy. But if I know gold right, if price wants to push down, it will likely continue pushing down. So let's wait and see. Wait and see how it close. So you have about 6 more minutes. So I can probably use the 6 minutes to do a proper breakdown of GJ because I didn't do that. I just looked at GJ and I came back to gold. So let's do a proper breakdown. I keep doing a breakdown on GJ, but I never traded it. Like I don't trade. Yeah, I thought as much. I know this try. Yeah, I know this candle will flip relation move for 15 minutes was the problem. 15 minutes I just close below the range. Assuming it closed slightly above something good. But the 30 minutes was 30 minutes was a good fit. 30 minutes was a good fit. Okay guys, let's do what we do best. Let's do a proper breakdown on GJ and I can know exactly what's story. So let's clear up everything. For drawings, go to the daily time frame. So looking at the daily time frame, fuck guys, my network is lagging again. My network is lagging again. Why do I keep suffering this network issue? Why do I keep suffering network issue? Gold. Sorry, DJ is basically above, like basically I really like the fact that my network is lagging. Like I don't like this at all. Okay, I don't like this shit. Anyways, it has broken above the previous high, which is good. So we have a support level from below here on the daily. So if I go to my 4 hour time frame, I can see that price is just on the range. And if I scale back up to, if I scale to my 4 hours, so we can see the resistance and support. So this is what we have on our range. So if we're looking for anything like opportunities for buys, we can likely look for opportunities when price break above this level, which is 198.198.432. So that's an opportunity for buys, and the whole stuff is like 24 p. That's 24 p. Look at these guys. So let's go back to gold. Let's see what's going on gold. The gold haven't closed below the structure yet, so we have about, let's say the 15 close on gold, so we know what we want to do. We have about 2 more minutes. Okay, guys, this is what I feel is going to happen on gold right now. So if it close the way it's about to close, like the way it's about to close, like this, closing like this. So the next candle, I need to just break up a bit. Then I look to sell gold like this. So that's basically what I'm looking for. Since the bias is actually bearish, so I will sell gold to, there's a level below. The level below, I don't think I marked it up. So that's what I'm going to sell gold to. The level below, I don't think I marked it up. Okay, guys, I just placed my sell stop and all. So let's see if trade is going to play out. My network is messy. I shouldn't even be trading with this kind of network. I shouldn't be doing that at all. Like, I don't even know. It's frustrating. Like, it's frustrating. And my network is trying to frustrate me. And it has been working well for a while. So I don't know why it's acting up now. I don't even know why it's acting up now. Let's see how it goes. So my stop loss is going to move. It moves to the 5 minutes low actually. Like once it triggered me in, wherever it is, whatever the high is, I'm going to move my stop loss. So I'm going to do the stop loss like this point here. Yeah,